a time, there was an evil mummy, and he had the jewels of liberty. And luckily, he was to rule the world if he had turned this to its spot. But luckily, the
good monster fighter.
The good monster fighter came and destroyed it. And it knocked him off the ship and shot the horse. It shot the treasure off, and then it shot the horse, and it flipped the horse all over, and it got hurt, of course. And then it came down, and then she started fighting. You'll never defeat me. Woo. I'm gonna run away from you. And then she was going after him. You'll never defeat me, monster, evil fighter. I will defeat you, big bad trash can. And no, you won't.
Ching, ching, ching. No, 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 no.
And she got the treasure in her hand. The sword and the skeleton got dead for a minute. You'll never defeat me. Wait, do you have the crystal? Yes, I do.